how to find your Samsung phone model. So if you just joined the Samsung bandwagon and you want to check or find out your Samsung phone model, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do to find Samsung phone model, all you just need to do is open the settings app on your phone. On the settings page, scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to about phone. Then go ahead and click on that. Once you click on about phone, then here if you see the product name, you can see I have my Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. You see that? So that is my Samsung model name, and that is it. So that is basically how to find Samsung phone model, phone name, model name, even serial number, as well as your IMEI number. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.